Morning, everyone. This is David at Finish Line Factory, and here's Stuart. What? Okay. So I just had breakfast. I think Stuart had a little bit of breakfast. Stuart got up at like 8 in the morning or so? 6 in the morning. Your dad said you got up at 8 though.
I was up way before then.
Okay. Well, I got up at like 9, and then I made some breakfast. So we're here at the USCR subreddit tent campground, checking out, just hanging out for now. And then, let's see, today is the Michelin Pilot Challenge.
And the WEC race.
And the WEC race, so 1,000 miles of Sebring. Let's get started. Hey Stuart, check it out. Hey, what is that? Is that what?
That's a BMW M8.
It's not a BMW M8, is
Thick
it?
boy.
It is a BMW M8.
Thick boy.
Oh, wow.
Absolute unit.
Where'd it go? Here it is. So here we have the BMW M8 in its natural habitat. All right, so from 12 to 2 is the Michelin Pilot Challenge, the MPC. So, Stu, what do you think? Other than Ryan Eversley,
I'm hoping Hart makes something go down in TCR. He said they don't have the straight line speed that everybody else has, but they're quicker through turn 1 than most of the Grand Sport cars.
okay.
As far as Grand Sport, I don't know. I'd like to see an Audi win it. It's going to be one of those GT350Rs.
Okay.
I would like Compass to see Compass racing in their McLaren 570 win again. They're a really cool team. They're really super fan oriented, and it's the only McLaren. It's one of like 2 McLarens in the field, and the 570 GTs are badass.
Let's see it happen.
Oh, this guy crashed recently. Wait till you're dead.
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh. All right, race off to the start. Here we go. right, so we're
North Paddock.
going for a little cruise.
That's good.
We're in the golf cart.
I'll pick up my stuff later.
All right.
But you have your ticket, right?
Horn's not working. I don't have my ticket on me. Do I need it?
We don't need it, I don't think.
Yeah.
It's shuddering.
They don't care really.
That's me trying to make the horn work.
Oh, I thought the whole.
Yeah, we don't have a horn. This golf cart is not horny.
Oh, this thing is sassy.
All right, so we're at turn 13 and 14.
On the world's tiniest viewing mound.
Yeah, this is a pretty small mound. Oh, so this guy came to a stop. Might have a mechanical issue with fire.
Yeah, well.
See, looks like he's moving again. All right, back in the golf cart. I'm on the back now. All right.
Oh, the backup camera on this thing's terrible.
So where are we headed off to now?
Turn 15.
Turn 15. We're on the way.
Hold on.
WC is using the back straight.
What's going on here? We got Grillo. This lovely lady here.
She's a slut.
This lovely lady.
Stewardess
Hello.
for Lake Airlines.
How's it going?
The beautiful thing.
Hello. Oh shit, the group's leaving. All right, so we're at the BMW Owners Lounge. One of our guys has a BMW, so we might be able to get in. Let's do it. We were going to go to turn 17, but I don't think. There we go. We got some light. We were going to go to turn 17, but we couldn't quite find our way there, so we ended up over here for some reason. And I'm just going along with the group. You know what, Stuart? Oh shit. I'm just gonna let it go.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait for it. Ah.
Get it out. Get it out. Is this what a seat
right.
looks like?
The throw is back. There we go.
No, it isn't. It's kind of.
Okay, give it some time to let it kind of spread itself out. I'm a little dizzy right now, but I got in. Got the wristband, got my BMW lanyard, we're good to go. All right. Oh, it's nice and air conditioning. Let's see. Oh, this is kind of nice. Oh, look at that. 2019 Rolex 24 Daytona GTLM entered first place trophy. Hey, I was there for that. Cool. Oh, cool. They have like a snack bar here. They got like muffins and pretzels and stuff. Oh, nice. You guys have drinks too? Like some Pepsi? Oh, cool. Could I have a Diet Pepsi? Awesome, thank you. All right, so they've got this wall here with a brief timeline of BMW's racing history. Oh, check out the E9 CSL. There you go. Race cars. Oh, wow, the M1 GTR. Jeez. I think this is the V12 LMR. Yep, V12 LMR. There's the M3 GTR, the E46 M3. I was there for this race. Check that out. Look at that. And this is their, oh, this is the new M8s, the M8 race cars. So number 25, M8 GTE. Badass, very badass. Number, this right here, this is how you watch a race. You come to the racetrack, and then you sit in a lounge to watch the race on TV.
While hearing it outside.
All right, so we're heading out of the BMW Hospitality Suite, the BMW Owners Lounge. So congratulations to BMW for their second place win in the Michelin Pilot Challenge.
Absolutely. And here's a
Second
great
place
thing.
overall.
You think that
I don't know.
BMW
And
guys...
congratulations to Ryan Eversley for his third place at the MPC.
TCR, yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
So you think that BMW owners are a little bit snobby, right?
Well, kind of.
Everybody in there was cheering.
Oh, hell yeah.
And you'd think they're usually quiet and
Well, if
reserved.
you're in there, you're a BMW fan.
Yeah, obviously.
You wouldn't be in there if you were just like some guy.
Yeah, true.
All right, so where are we going? Where are we going next, guys? We're going home. Do a quick vlog update. All right, guys. So we're back at the subreddit camp. It looks like it might rain, so we went over to our camp and we put away anything that was electronic, like my inverter, anything that was paper, anything that could blow away. So we're just gonna be here. The WEC race starts in a little less than an hour, a little over an hour, and we're gonna. Stuart, what are we doing? We're gonna head back to BMW.
We're going to head back to BMW, then we're
Okay.
going to do turn 10.
Okay, so we're gonna go to BMW, watch the start of the race there in relative comfort in the air conditioning tent, which is nice, and then we'll head back down to turn 10 and check out some of the racing there. All right, race is starting real soon. Heading over to, oh, there's a lot of cars here. Heading over to turn 10. Going to turn 10 club. Gonna watch the start of the race. Got Austin there carrying the Gazoo Racing flag.
Have we taken the finish line fans up into turn 10 club yet?
I believe we have, yes, last night. Cool. So we're gonna show you guys turn 10 club. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so here is the turn 10 club. We're up here on the scaffolding, and we got the pace lap underway. Let's see some of these cars that are passing through. This is for the WEC race. Oh wow, turn 10 club is completely packed. I was gonna try to get over to the other side, catch some more angle of this side, but I can't because you can't even get to the other end. So it's actually pretty open over here.
We're in the best part of the club, though, right now.
Yeah. He's about to get lapped, man. He's about to get lapped, Stu. What do you think?
Oh, that Cayenne?
Yeah, he's about to get lapped.
I think that's what they call like just above the 110% performance difference in Formula One.
Yeah.
I think he's like way outside that boundary. All right, let's see how the Toyota's place when they come around. Are starting to mix in with the GT field. Everybody's starting to mingle. And this is where you run into a lot of guys getting in accidents because of traffic. Because you saw the Toyotas were intermingling with the top GTLM cars. Right here you're going to see. There's the Toyota. Montez coming right behind him. Porsche 911. He's already way too in the field, but you got to remember, the other P1 cars are also in that field as well.
All right, so I'm starting to feel a little hungry. I'm going to head back to the campsite, fire up the grill, start cooking up some of the brats and wings that we have, or I think maybe just the brats. Stuart decided to stay back in turn 10, so I'm just going to bring the food over to him. But I want to check out some other turns, because there's a lot of great turns around here. So I might go down to turn 1, film a little bit there, and yeah, get some food. Let's go.